Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video here on Wealth Academy. In today's video, let's take a look at Litecoin against the USD in the medium term and long term. Before we do that, let's take a look at the total market cap. We're currently sitting at $2 trillion. We're up 6.80% in the last day. Bitcoin is up 6%, Ethereum 7%, and Litecoin 10%. Let's now see what the upcoming forecast is looking like. This is going to play out in the coming weeks and probably months. It all depends on the algorithm. So don't ask me when are we going to reach this zone. That all depends on the algorithm. I can tell you what direction we're heading, what zones you should be selling at. Other than that, it's a matter of patience. Let's go ahead and take a look at our fib levels, see if we have some type of confluence. Right here, we have the 1.13 fib along with the 186. We have some major overhead resistance within 180 to $200. I mean, are we surprised? Oh, not one bit, you guys. I mean, before we entered this trade setup, we knew exactly where our take profit was going to be, and that was within 180 to $200 range. I mean, data never lies. It's never betrayed us. So 186, the 1.13 fib level, within 180 to 200, I'm going to continue doing my thing, ladder in my profits. And then from there, so expect a minor pullback. We need to retest this head and shoulder, cup and handle, or double bottom. Let's flip this as a support, and then we can continue for that $300 range. All right. Let me show you where our next target is. I'm going to go ahead and find our next confluence zones right here to get our D point. And looking at this, we have the 786 and the 1.618, indicating that we still have ways to go up. So after this pullback, don't let this pullback shake you thinking that, it's game over. We're starting a bear market to the downside. Although it is a possibility, it's very unlikely. However, still a possibility that we should be aware of. From here, I'm expecting a further rally to around $320. Algorithm is going to do its thing, trigger stops, liquidity. It's going to go for a nice distribution phase. And in this zone right here, I'm expecting another pullback. All right, it's going to be major. This one's going to be much bigger than the first one. This is where people are gonna get all euphoric. Holy shit, Rakesh is gonna hop on the train. Holy shit, I think we go to the moon today. And no, we're not heading to the moon. We're about to go for a major pullback. That's exactly what's about to happen here. And these emotions repeat over and over again. You see that happening during this phase right here. We had a major rally, this phase right here, and you just see the emotions repeating over and over again. Right here, we had a major pullback, and that's exactly what we had, major pullback. And same thing over here, major pullback, of course, on a bigger time frame along with the rest. And then we go for a nice recovery phase. That's exactly what happened right here and right over here. And that's exactly what's about to happen in the coming weeks and months. We go for a nice recovery phase. If you guys remember these periods right here, this is where people were going all crazy. Holy, this is where we break to $1,000, $2,000. No, 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 that's not how it works. These fibs need to be respected. So right here, we triggered the 786. We went down. Right here, we triggered the 786 as well. And right over here, we triggered the 886 and the 786. All right, and that's exactly what's about to happen right now. We're repeating the same exact algorithm over and over again, and traders and investors are getting washed left and right, getting liquidated, getting wrecked. However, if you pay close attention, you know exactly what's going to happen, okay? And then after the 786, you can see how we go for a major pullback to get that liquidate the crap out of people, and that's exactly what's about to happen. People that over leverage are about to get wrecked. And then we go for that $600 range and so on, okay? So again, this zone right here, this same emotions are repeating over again. However, this time it's going to be big, okay? This wave, it's not going to be a mini wave like we've seen in the past. All right, this one's going to be massive. Let me show you approximately where that first target will be. So first zone, give or take, you're looking at 894 to around the 1247 range. I'm going to repeat this multiple times. It's a matter of patience. When is it going to happen? I don't freaking know, okay? So let the algorithm do its thing. Up here, you have the 1.618, you have the 3.618, and you have the 186. Pooh, I mean, you have some major resistance levels up here. This is where you take massive profit because we're about to go for another massive drop, okay? And then we do our thing. And you just basically, the trend is repeating over and over again, however, in a bigger time frame. All right. So you sell up here, we're gonna buy. You don't want to be Rakesh, okay? You don't want to be buying high, selling low. I mean, looking at these charts, it's basically humans' emotions being printed. All right. You can see all the panic buyers, over leverage. That's exactly what you see right here. Just a blow off top right here as well. And right here. And he just repeats over and over again. And that's exactly what's about to happen. When we reach that $800 to $1,200 range, we're going to get a massive blow off top. People are going to FOMO in. Rakesh is going to be on the boat too. I'm 100% sure, man. I think this is where Rakesh is going to go all in, sell his Kool-Aid stand, ice cream shop, and goes all freaking in, okay? And they're about to get wrecked, all right? That's what this market is designed for. It's not designed for easy money, because if you don't know what the hell you're doing, I promise you, you're going to get wrecked. So yeah, guys, very easy trade setup. I mean, it's just a matter of patience. You have your targets, you have your entry points. That's all you need. The rest is patience. So if this video helped you out, gave you some kind of insight, make sure you hit that like button. Without further ado, I'll see you all in tomorrow's video.